हाय, मेरा सवाल सबसे पहले अनिल
जी।
हाय
अच्छा,
अनिल जी हाय
लेडीज
नवीन
फर्स्ट तो नहीं होता है यहाँ पे। क्या हुआ, चलो गो अहेड।
अनिल जी, नवीन फ्रॉम जूम। मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि स्टंट करने में आपको कितनी चोटें आई एंड बॉडी डबल यूज हुआ कि नहीं, एंड कितनी मुश्किल रही स्टंट के लिए?
इस वक्त तो पूरा मेरा शरीर चोटों से भरा हुआ है, ऑनेस्टली, टू बी ऑनेस्ट विद यू। मैटर फैक्ट, सिर्फ मेरा ही नहीं, अभिनय और मैं रात शाम को कल फ़ोन पे बात कर रहे थे, तो मैंने पूछा कहाँ था यार, तेरे को फ़ोन लगा रहा हूँ, तू फ़ोन नहीं उठा रहा। बोला मैं फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट पे। बोला डोंट वरी, मैं भी फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट पे ही हूँ। So basically, the entire team has been in, there's been quite a bit of injuries on the set. And matter of fact, Alan Amin, who's doing a wonderful job, I don't know where he is. Alan Saab, fantastic he has been, and of course, quite a few of his stuntmen also got unfortunately injured during the shooting. But everybody is fine and fit to work relentlessly and with the same kind of passion and dedication, uh, and try to do much more than our capacity and ability. Yeah, चोटें बहुत हैं.
हेलो कांग्रेचुलेशंस अनिल।
ऑलराइट
राज
मैम,
जी,
यस योर्स।
राज जी, ये सवाल आपसे है। ये जो है आपने बिल्कुल फिल्म के स्टाइल में बनाया है और हम आपको बधाई देते हैं, लेकिन क्या वजह है और भी दूसरे सीरियल्स आए, जैसे युद्ध आया था, अमित जी थे, काफ़ी अच्छा उसका कंटेंट था, लेकिन इसकी बराबरी नहीं कर पाया, तो क्या वजह है कि ये दर्शकों को बांध कर रखा है इसने इतने महीने?
मैं दूसरे शो के बारे में नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, मगर अमित जी बहुत बड़े कलाकार हैं और हम उनकी बहुत इज्जत करते हैं। मगर 24 जब हमने किया, जब एक तो इंटरनेशनल फॉर्मेट है, तो थोड़ा ग्रामर, टेलीविज़न का ग्रामर जो है, जो फॉर्मेट है, मगर हिंदुस्तान में इसको अडेप्ट करना काफ़ी मुश्किल है, क्योंकि यहाँ यू हैव टू बी वेरी सेंसिटिव। रिलीजन इज़ अ topic you have to be careful about, politics is a topic you have to be careful about, so it's very difficult to adapt, and the way the team has put it together, और हमने तो अनिल जी ने और सारे टीम ने दिल से, लगन से कोशिश की है कि हमसे जितना अच्छा हुए हम उतना अच्छा शो बनाए, और कलर्स में हम जब भी कुछ करते हैं हम उसी इंटेंट से करते हैं कि हम सबसे अच्छा करेंगे, चलेगा तो चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा तो end of the day it's the viewer who decides, but we give it our 100% shot, और हम कोई कसर बाकी नहीं छोड़ती है, so that's what it is. We have given it our best shot, and it is showing on air.
Yeah, congratulations.
Mr. Kapoor, I have two questions for you, Mr. Kapoor. Here, I got two questions. One is that you as an actor and the producer, how much is that you are evolved with the 24 series?
Well, I think I'm evolving every day. And we're learning every day on this show as a producer and also as an actor. I can't say how much I've involved, but I really, really, it's a learning experience. It's been very, very educative, this whole show which we have done. Yeah, and hopefully in future, this is a format which is an international format. But our dream is, all of us, our dream is to do something which is original. This is an adaptation. So the dream is to make something original which will travel all over the world. That's the dream.
And my second question is that since it's a home production, so do we get to see Sonam a bit, or
She says she wants to play the female Jack Bauer. So either it's me or Sonam. Yeah.
So do we get to see her in next season or something?
Then obviously she can, but I won't be there.
But then Mr. Kapoor won't be there.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This question is for Mr. Raj. What is the ROI usually of shows like this?
Don't speak about ROI when you come to a show like this, because let me put it in context for you. If you're spending X on a show, on a regular fiction show, we are spending 20X on a show like this. So you can't look at ROI. I mean, if you start looking at ROI for everything that you do, every show that you do, I think then you will not be able to do shows like this in India. I think as a leaders, as a channel that has a leadership position, we believe that we need to take that step, we need to take that leap of faith, and I'm sure, I've said this before and I say it again, shows like 24, it will take time, and others will follow, and hopefully the whole content game in India will change, and it's happening. And now with so many multi-platforms coming for exposing this content, I think the popularity will become bigger and bigger.
हेलो अनिल जी, दिस इज़ पूजा फ्रॉम टेली मसाला. सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि ये इस सीज़न 2 को लाने में 3 साल लग गए सर. मतलब इतनी कौन कौन सी तैयारी करनी पड़ी आप लोगों को कि इतना वक्त लग गया सीज़न 2 लाने में?
ये सवाल किसके लिए?
सर आपके लिए.
हाँ जी,
आपके लिए सर.
हाँ, 2 साल, क्योंकि obviously it's obviously I work in films also. तो अगर मैं हर साल ये it's a tough thing for me to, so I had committed to 2 films, so I had to complete both the films, Dil Dhadakne Do and Welcome, and it's the kind of scale this show is, we need a lot of prep, and the writing takes time, so that is the reason. But I'm sure in the future the gap will be not so much, hopefully. Yeah.
All right, ma'am. Yes, your question. Yeah.
To be honest with you, no. He obviously, if like Sonam said, she wants to be Jack Bauer. I think with Amir, we'll have to have 2 Jack Bauers. Not, he's not the part of. I would love him to be part of this show, and I'm sure if I request him, he'll never say no to me to grace our show. But 24 is whoever comes to the show has to come very organically. It's not a show which depends. Even if you see me also, or see all the actors and whoever there's been Shabana ji and so many Anupam and all. We play characters in this show. It's not a star-driven show. We are all characters. So if there is a character in the show which is for any, it can be anyone. We'll try our best that he or she would be on the show if he or she likes the role. Yeah.
मेरा सवाल डायरेक्टर से है. जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं कि
Ma'am, you're like the voice of God right now.
Yeah,
Because
here.
okay. So, ma'am, I'll tell you one thing. I have a whole line of people waiting. We did give you a chance to ask a question. Thank you. So, ma'am, yes, you, ma'am. There.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi. My question is to Mr. Kalsi. What made you select 24? Like there are many television shows. What made you select 24?
Well, as I mentioned in the beginning also, it's a matter of relationship and trust. And second thing, which Raj mentioned, that they have leadership position on television. Likewise, we have the leadership position in the automobile industry. And with more than say 47% market share, we have to continuously raise the bar for ourselves. And whatever we associate with has to be of equally good quality. And we found that kind of similarity with the show when the brief was given to us. And that was the reason we associated ourselves and our best model from our portfolio S-Cross with this program.
All right. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. I'm Sunil from Movie Talkies. And Anil sir, I would like to ask you that you just now said that you would like to create something of your own which will travel the world. But you recently bought rights for Prison Break as well. And
And Modern Family.
Sorry?
And Modern Family.
Yeah, so basically, can we see the show very soon? And I mean,
at the moment, the focus is only 24, and I'm not going to discuss anything else. It's 24, season 2.
Congratulations, Mr. Anil Kapoor.
Yeah.
I'd like to ask you that how do you keep balance between the TV and films?
It's a tough ride for me because here I am. I remember, obviously, Amir has always been the leader and been an inspiration. And as a friend and as a colleague, in spite of he being younger than me, but sometimes you learn from from youngsters. And I remember when he was doing Satyamay Jayate, and he didn't do anything else. And so I think for both of us, no matter what the format is, when we, at least I try and we try to do something, at least I've done, like I've not done any film since the last 1 year. I've just devoted myself for, shooting for 24. So I'm available to all of them for 24. So that's it's a tough ride. So because obviously there are a lot of films which I want to do, which I'm, matter of fact, I'm being very honest. There was a very, very exciting international project which came to me, which was they wanted to shoot in July, August, but I had to pass that film. And I'm being very honest with you. So we all are trying to do. I think Abhinay, Renzel, all of us, all the actors, colors, we're trying to do our best where this show is concerned. Yeah. So it's been a tough ride. It's a tough ride. Yeah.
All right, the next question's all the way from the back. Yeah, if you can see her raising her hand there. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. All right, ma'am, go ahead.
No.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
We will not
We're here
answer.
just to talk about 24 today. Thank you. Sir? Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, my question
Yeah,
is.
ma'am, just 1 second. We have a
We can hear you. Well, you see, I can say something which I will say it again and again. I remember when Mr. India released, and including Dil Chahta and so many other films, and there was a film, I'm not saying anything else. There was so many films which released with both these films. They did much bigger numbers than Mr. India and Dil Chahta. And but the idea is that time, obviously, when that happened during Mr. India, we were slightly, we felt low, and because this is a small film with, and it just became a bigger success, and we took some wrong decisions. But it's not going to happen in the future. No matter what the TRP is, no matter what the GRP is, of 24, the commitment and the passion will be the same.
Hello, my question is to Oppo's spokesperson. Sir, what is your target audience for the 24?
Ma'am, would you like to take that question? Yeah?
Since the show is all about technology, it is focused on, I would in fact call it on a topic which is really related to country, and then yes, it has lot of youth. I'm sure many people out here has watched 24 season 1. So if you are particularly talking about the TG, what we are taking here is, yes, 18 above till 34. Anything
All right.
else?
So we have time just for one more question.
Sir, my question is for Abhinay sir. Abhinay sir, which things are easy in
Can
this
you stop the
second
person?
season for you, and which things were difficult for you?
Sorry? Yeah.
So this second season, which things was easy for you and which things were difficult for you? Which things was you feel it
Okay.
was very difficult?
I think when it comes to 24, when you say 24, to be honest, everything is difficult. Okay, there is hardly any easy route when we talk about 24, because it is, see, 24, that's what I initially said, that 24 is all about trying to push the envelope of television, and when we try to do that as a team, we keep facing incredible amount of challenges, because television is viewed in a certain way, there are certain kind of audience that views it, and we are trying to change their viewing pattern. We're trying to give them something completely new. So whenever something new comes up, I believe it comes up with a whole lot of difficulties. I would say that difficulty is a wrong word. Challenges is a better word. And I personally believe that 24 comes to us with a whole lot of challenges, whether it's cast, crew, technicians, everyone. And I think that pretty much is what we are facing, which is incredible amount of challenges to finish the show so that it can come to you guys and you'll be able to react to it. And hopefully you'll react well. माफ कीजिए जी between Renzel and me बिल्कुल नहीं क्योंकि Renzel
we are very old friends really.
We are
we
very
go back to advertising I think about 15 years ago, so if we had to have any fights we would have had it by now.
yeah नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. So far तो अभी तक नहीं आए. बाद में रेंजिल के ऊपर है बाकी.
All right, thank you all so much for being here with us today. Before we
I just want to say something.
Yes, before
we
we
mentioned
leave.
all the cast, crew, technicians, but 3 people whose name I would like to mention here who are very important to us in the sense they played a very big role from the color side. One is Udayan, Jalal, wherever you are, and the writer from our side, B.R. Sharan, wherever you are. I don't see 3 of you, but Jalal, you've been very, very important to us, especially to get across to Anil and make sure that he gives us time as well. And Udayan, thank you very much wherever you are.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.